Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another digital from Decorate Your Life. And you guys, oh my goodness. So of course here on YouTube and on her store, they're both called Decorate Your Life. I will link it down on the description below so you guys could go over. And you guys, OMG. So this one is called Cute Critters in the Forest. And isn't this adorable, you guys? Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So this is what it looks like. So you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digitals. I do not think the price is bad. I think it is an amazing price. You guys, let me show you guys up close. Sorry I have not had the chance to print these, but look at, can you see these? These are the my god, the deer and the doe, I think that's what they're called. There's a birdie here with flowers. There's a little, it looks like a bunny. Oh, there you go. It's a bunny holding its baby bunny. Oh my goodness, how cute. OMG. So that is the cutest, you guys. And there's a fox right here with its baby fox. You guys, it is adorable. Oh my goodness. So you have that page with flowers and little birdie right there hidden in between the flowers. Cute. And then you have this one, and this is a little girl hugging her little doggy. I believe it's a doggy. Is it a doggy? Oh, or is it a bear? You guys, it's a bear. Oh my goodness. OMG, how cute. You guys, look at that. Okay, and then the next one, it's now another little girl. Let me see if I can. There you go. And OMG, you guys, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to print these now. Oh my goodness. Sorry for the glare, you guys. And here is another one, and this one has no critters in it. It's just all the flowers. Cute, adorable background. Another background page if you want, or you could use this. Oh my goodness, so many possibilities with this. So cute. And I believe this is the last one. Let me see. Sorry. No, it has to be an image here. There you go. So OMG, there's the owl and there's the bunny carrying her baby, and she has flowers on there. It is the cutest, and I do apologize for the glare, you guys. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that was the last one. I can't wait to print these. I am going to print these right now. Oh my gosh, I regret not printing them earlier. Oh my gosh. So again, it is called Cute Critters in the Forest, you guys. You guys, if you guys are interested in this digital, I will link it down in the description below. Of course, it is an affiliate link, so if you guys do end up deciding to purchase, you know, you guys, I get like basically a commission. It's at no additional cost to you. It's, you guys are gonna pay the same price. Commission just goes towards, you know, my crafting supplies, materials used to print, materials for giveaways, and yeah. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And of course, you guys, if you guys have not visited all the other design team, go over, visit them. There are amazing, crafty, talented ladies. And you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.